Good morning, Mabrujan. I am Juralyn from Butuan City. Last November 6, 2015, nag-provide help ako ng 416,000 pesos. Tapos, last November 19, 2015, nag-request ako to get help amounting to 123,200 pesos. I would like to and then today, November 21, 2015, I was able to receive the entire amount, which is amounting to 123,000 pesos. 123,200 pesos. I would like to say thank you to all the participants who provided me assistance, and of course, thank you to Mr. Sergi Mavrudi for creating this very good opportunity for us. Only with together we change the world.